We begin with a story that's literally making noise across Hampton Roads.
And we mean that, literally. Dozens of you emailed us about a sonic boom out of the sky at around 7:30 tonight. It was heard from the eastern shore to Virginia Beach, Norfolk, Portsmouth, Chesapeake, even Suffolk. That covers Hampton Roads, folks. Now, we checked with the U.S. Geological Survey. They say there was no seismic activity in the area.
We put in calls to NASA and Oceana to see if there was any type of sonic boom from a rocket or a military jet. Well, a spokesperson at Oceana says nothing from their area would be heard as far away as Suffolk. As for a rocket, a NASA spokesperson at Wallops Island on the eastern shore, they don't have any activity tonight that would make any noise like that either.
Okay, so that happened on May 10th or 11th, just the other day. And it seems kind of obvious to me, whether they went to admit it or not, that that was probably something NASA was doing. Over 4 decades, NASA's Langley has conducted a wide spectrum of experimental supersonic combustion research related to hypersonic air-breathing propulsion. The complex includes a direct connect combustor test facility, 2 small-scale complete engine test facilities, the Mach 4 blowdown facility, and the 8-foot-high temperature tunnel, a large-scale complete engine test facility. So I found this on abovetopsecret.com, and somebody has made a map of the places that the loud noise has been heard throughout the United States, and I noticed every single spot that this noise is heard, there is a NASA facility within their vicinity. And just to be clear, I'm referring to the rumbling noise, not the sonic boom. Just to refresh your memory, here's that clip.
Feels like it's getting close, Dylan. Yeah. There went something. What is that? That feels like it's getting very close.
I'm going to go ahead and compare the map of where this has been heard to the NASA map. The first map you're going to see is the map of the locations that this noise has been reported. The second map is where NASA has their rocket test facilities. Third map is all the other NASA facilities, including the rocket one.